Hi guys, welcome to Philippines. Ayan. Welcome to Philippines. Ayan, nandyan na. It is already 9:30. 9:30 in the Philippines. Grabe yung ano. Oo, mas maraming ilaw. So, ibig sabihin, so, ang daming bahay. Parang ano, Christmas tree, after how many years? So, after 4 years. 4 years, whatever, ano. Grabe siya. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. So, yan yung ano, yung may dalawang guhit sa it means, yan yung ano, Manila Bay o Ilog Pasig. So, diba? Guesting. Guesting ang girl. Ang ganda sa taas. Ang ganda sa taas. So, yun yung ano, I think yun yung may parang tunnel siya na parang yung Dasirical yun. I can recognize. Dasirical yun. Palanding na kami. Dahil, tenga ko. Walang marinig. Hindi na ako. Ang ganda dito sa taas. Ay, so medyo bumababa na kami. Mababa na yung nililipad ng ano, ng Kalawakan. So, I'm going home. Na siya. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want. Let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything that goes between us. Ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything that goes between us. Ain't no mess. Mababa na. Nag-landing na kami guys. Ay na, landing na.
and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deflated.